Educate yourself, continuously learn, and stay updated on market trends to adapt to changing opportunities. Develop marketable skills. Invest in learning skills that are in demand, such as coding, digital marketing, or graphic design. Budget and save. Create a budget to manage your expenses and save a portion of your income regularly. Build multiple income streams. Diversify your income sources to reduce financial risk. This could include investments, rental income, or passive income from a blog or YouTube channel. Seek financial advice. Consult with financial experts or advisors for personalized guidance on managing your money and investments. Money is like a seed. If you plant it wisely, nurture it diligently, and watch it grow patiently, it will bear fruit. Don't work for money. Make money work for you. Invest wisely and let your money generate more money. Money flows to those who provide value. Focus on creating value for others, and the money will follow. Opportunities to make money are all around us. It's our ability to recognize and seize them that sets us apart. Financial education is the foundation of wealth. Learn how money works, and you'll be better equipped to make it work for you. The road to wealth is paved with discipline, hard work, and a clear financial plan. Remember, making money is a journey, not a destination. Stay persistent and keep learning along the way. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Your knowledge, skills, and mindset will determine your ability to make money. Please note that these quotes provide general advice and perspective on making money. The actual process of making money can vary greatly depending on individual circumstances, goals, and strategies.